Good morning, students. Now, today we'll start the next topic of lesson 18. Clear? And today's topic is formed elements. Already in the last video, I have discussed with you the plasma, the fluid part of the blood. Now, today we'll study about the formed elements. Now, what are the formed elements? RBCs, WBCs, and platelets. These are the three types of cells present in the blood. They are called the formed elements, right? And these mostly form 45% of the blood. Clear? The 45% of the blood that is made up of, you can say RBCs, WBCs, and platelets. Now, RBCs are also called erythrocytes. Clear? RBCs are also called, इनको हम क्या कहते हैं बेटे? Erythrocytes. They are also called erythrocytes or red blood cells. Clear? These are the most abundant, ये सबसे ज़्यादा मिलने वाले cells होते हैं. A healthy adult man on an average have 5 millions to 5.5 millions of RBCs per millimeter cubic of the blood. Clear? Now, RBCs बनते कहाँ पे आप? जो RBCs they are formed in the red bone marrows. Clear? ये bone marrow में बनते हैं बेटा. And the most important thing is that RBCs do not have nucleus in mammals. Most of the mammals you can see. Clear? That they are devoid of nucleus means nucleus is absent. And they are bioconcave in shape. Clear? They are red in color. That's why they are called RBCs. Okay? They are red in color because they are containing protein called hemoglobin. Clear? So this hemoglobin will give the red color to this. A healthy man, अगर हम normal man की बात करें तो it has 12 to 16 gram of HB जिसको आप बोलते हो hemoglobin. Clear? In every 100 ml of blood. These molecules play a significant role in the transport of respiratory gases. और यही जो hemoglobin है बेटा, it helps to carry oxygen, clear, and give to the body cells and take back carbon dioxide and pass it out. So it helps in the exchange of, or you can say transport of gases. RBCs have an average lifespan of 120 days. इनकी जो लाइफ है वो 120 दिन की होती है. And after 120 days, they are destroyed in the spleen. ये spleen में जाके बेटा खत्म हो जाते हैं. So this is about RBCs, right? Now, next is leukocytes. Clear? Leukocytes means WBCs. These WBCs are also called leukocytes. Clear? Its other name is leukocytes. इनको हम white blood cells भी बोलते हैं. Now, as they are not having hemoglobin, so it is not red in color, means इनका color white रहता. They are nucleated. इनमें nucleus रहेगा. Clear? And are relatively lesser in number. और इनका number RBC से कम रहता है. सबसे ज़्यादा होते हैं RBCs. और second number पे जो cells होते हैं blood में, that is WBCs. Clear? Now, अगर हम इनकी average बात करें बेटा, clear? 6,000 to 8,000 मिलीमीटर्स पर क्यूबिक में आपको ये मिलते हैं ऑफ द ब्लड. ल्यूकोसाइट्स आर जनरली शॉर्ट लिव्ड, ये भी थोड़ी देर के लिए जिंदा रहते हैं. नाउ वी आर मेनली हैविंग टू टाइप ऑफ ल्यूकोसाइट्स, राइट. दो तरह के WBCs होते हैं बॉडी में. वन इज ग्रेन्यूलोसाइट्स, अदर इज ए ग्रेन्यूलोसाइट्स. क्लियर? ग्रेन्यूलोसाइट्स मीन्स जिसमें ग्रेन्यूल्स होंगे. ए मीन्स नॉट हैविंग ग्रेन्यूल्स. क्लियर? न्यूट्रोफिल्स, इओसिनोफिल्स, बेसिनोफिल्स आर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ ग्रेन्यूलोसाइट्स जिसमें ग्रेन्यूल्स हैं. And neutrophils, eosinophils, clear, basophils, clear. These three I have told. They are what type? Granulocytes, clear. Lymphocytes and monocytes. ये जो दो types हैं, these are agranulocytes means जिसमें granules absent रहेंगे. Clear? Clear बेटा? Neutrophils जो है, these are the most abundant cells. जो WBCs में अगर हम बात करें तो सबसे ज़्यादा मिलते हैं neutrophils, 60 to 65% of the total WBCs. और जो basophils हैं, they are only 0.5 to 1%. Clear? Neutrophils and monocytes, they are 6 to 8%. Clear? And these are phagocytic cells. Phagocytis का मतलब है अगर कोई बाहर से germs आएंगे तो उनको खा जाएंगे. Basophils secrete histamine, serotonin, heparin, etc. Clear? And these are inflammatory reactions. मतलब they are involved in inflammatory reactions. Clear? जो eosinophils है बेटे, these are only 2 to 3% and they will help to resist the infections. बॉडी में infections नहीं होने देते, right? And also associated with allergic reactions. बॉडी में जो एलर्जीज वगैरह होती है उससे जुड़े रहते हैं. Lymphocytes 20 to 25% are two major types, B and T forms. क्लियर? जो lymphocytes हैं उसमें दो मेजर होते हैं बेटा lymphocytes के, एक होते हैं B lymphocytes और एक होते हैं T lymphocytes, राइट? नाउ ये B और T lymphocytes हैं, दे आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर इम्यून रिस्पॉन्सेस. इन दोनों का काम क्या है? इम्यून रिस्पॉन्सेस. ये हमारे इम्यून रिस्पॉन्स के साथ जुड़े रहते हैं, राइट? And this is about the RBCs and WBCs. If I talk about the platelets, clear? These are the cell fragments, right? They are also produced in the bone marrow. Platelets can release a variety of substances, most of which are involved in the coagulation or clotting of the blood, right? So these are the formed elements which are formed in the blood, RBCs, WBCs and platelets, right beta? So this is only for the today. Next topic we'll do in the next video. Thanks and have a nice day beta.